Hey guys, just Breachy here. Just a quick video. Got the suspension set up by Jason Charles from JCP Performance down here at Geelong. Second ride today, going out for the bit of a ride in the sand to see how she feels. Last ride I went on last weekend was really good, really happy with the setup in sort of that hard pack, single trail type sort of work. Really keen to see how she goes in the sand, and which is where I noticed the biggest probably flaw with the standard suspension. So what are we at, about 40 odd hours now? So have a quick squeeze. Yeah, 36 hours. So it was probably due, well overdue for a suspension service. So yeah, I'll be back with a bit of an update at the end of the video. So see how she goes and how she handles in the sand. Hey guys, just finished up the ride in the sand. Yeah, impressed, really happy. It's set up exactly how I wanted it to be set up, with basically when you hit the top of the sand root, for example, it was washing out a little bit, whereas now it sits really firm. It doesn't get as squirmy or wants to lose control. So really happy with that. Yeah, just a short ride today. Unfortunately ended up with a bit of a non-concentration stack on the way back to the van. Just got caught in a four-wheel drive rut while I wasn't watching, and gone down and broken some bits and pieces on this side, and a little bit bruised, but it's my own fault for not really being switched on. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, and keep making content. Cheers guys.